Hi, this is Jason Yeagley with your weekly update for the week of October 11th, 2021. So let's get started. These 5 things will hopefully help you and your student have a better week, and it'll help to communicate some of the things that's been going on at West Branch Middle School or will happen in the upcoming week. Number 1, we've had some lunchroom changes, and these are proactive changes to help with the quarantining. So we've already switched grade 5 and grade 6. And by switch, I mean what I did was I spread the students out using the entire lunch space. And instead of having 8 at a table, we have 4. So I did keep the kids together with at least 4 of their friends they're currently sitting with, and basically just turned one table into 2 and spread them out throughout the cafeteria. So grade 5 and grade 6 were pretty easy to do. Grade 7 is more, it took a little more strategic, logistical wherewithal, because grade 7 is our largest, one of the largest grades in the district, and it also has crossover time with the intermediate. So we had to be a little more strategic with that. So I have a little bit of info over in my written part, but basically 7th grade, and that's happening in the next Monday, finishing it up Tuesday, and we'll be switched. What's going to happen there is half the 7th graders are going to have recess first, the other half are going to eat first, and then they'll switch 20 minutes in. So they still have a total of 40 minutes for lunch time, which includes 20 minutes for recess, 20 minutes for lunch, and so one group will be switched. And then they'll kind of in the middle they'll swap places. So I'm trying to keep friend groups together, but this is also going to help spread the students out so we do not have to quarantine. So I just wanted to let you know about some of those lunchroom changes, and they're all made to better serve the students and to educate them and of course keep them safe. Number 2, map testing. We've switched to a new system for kind of seeing where kids are and what they need, and it's been going really well. We're utilizing that in math and ELA, grades 5, 6, and 7, and we're also using it for science in grade 5. And that really gives us a lot of data to see where kids currently are and where they need to go. It's efficient, the reporting is awesome, and so we're using that for many things, including for some interventions that we've put in place for kids, and of course for teachers to really get a sense of their groups, subgroups, and different cohorts of students and where they are within that educational continuum. So I just wanted to let you know a little bit about what map testing is. It's a great thing, and it's something that we feel is forward for kids, and it's going to be able to help our teachers better reach kids in a lot of ways. All right, number 3, CPM Math. I love CPM Math. We have it in grade 6 and 7. It's over at the high school in grade 8 too. It's a really interactive way and problem-centric way to teach math, and I see more and more kids getting math, more and more kids liking math. It is definitely different than we were taught math, and if you probably saw it to begin with, you would think it's a little strange. Grade 5 uses what's called everyday math, and we're in the process. I'm having kind of a transitional 5th grade year, whereas they're going to use the curriculum of everyday math, but they're going to be working on having the delivery model of CPM. And I think that's going to bridge some gaps for kids, so they're not, so the transition's not so great. But I just wanted to give you a little update on CPM Math and 5th grade everyday math and how we're kind of trying to bring that all together. Number 4, playground and recess. Middle school PIE is in the process of purchasing a basketball hoop, one of those nice in the ground ones that won't fall over. We are trying to bring recess, that space, into having more things. We recently added some more additional sporting balls and stuff like that, so the kids have a lot more to do. So I just wanted you to know that is a process, and I know the kids love it, and it's a little sliver of their day, but we're trying to make it the best that we can. And number 5, absences and tardies. So I just wanted to remind everyone again, being in school is one of the most important things you could do. So please be at school. If you're not at school and you have a doctor's note, please bring a doctor's note. When you are not at school, you're missing regardless, and it's just hard to get caught up when you're missing a lot. And data shows that students who miss a lot struggle. Students that are in school struggle less because they're getting more instruction, not less. And then tardies, I did want to let everyone know that after 5 tardies, you're going to get a call from me. I'll talk with your student, because on the 6th tardy, it is a detention, and that is for the year. So once you get to 6, discipline. Once you get to 7, 8, it just keeps going. So it's really important to be at school, but I guess in a lot of ways, everyone gets 5 little train stops or mistakes, and then after that, it starts being a thing. So I just wanted to be forward on that. So hope everyone has a great week. I appreciate you listening, and of course, I will be back next week for the new 5 things that you'll need to know. Thanks, and go Warriors.